With the knee bent up and the foot stabilized on the couch, place your fingers behind the calf and then place the base of your palm over the front of the shin and then gradually massage around the shin to the back of the calf. Guys, welcome to the Physio channel. Before you do this one, I recommend that you do a nice broad sweep over the tibialis anterior. Use the base of your palm to start over the front of the foot, dropping over the outside of the ankle and then up over the outer shin. We're going over the tibialis anterior here. So you shouldn't really feel too much of the shin bone. Instead, you should be pushing in to that tibialis anterior muscle there, which should feel quite soft and giving as you move down like so. Here I'm using some wax. You can also use some massage oil or cream. I'll put some links in the description to some possible massage lotion options. For the third technique, we're going to target the tibialis posterior. With your fingertips, hook behind the tibia and then track down behind the tibia all the way down, round the back of the medial malleolus and down into the medial side of the foot. Let me show you that again. Come in a little bit closer for this one. Our patient here, Holly, is an ultra runner, and runners often love having their tibialis anterior massaged because it is a muscle that tends to be working very hard, especially when they're training and have some events coming up. If you're struggling with shin pain, watch this taping video, which can really help and is easy to do. See you in the next video.